The Irwin family helps many wild animals. They helped many animals after the Australian wildfires. Let's learn about some Australian animals. Australia is famous for having unusual wild animals. These wild animals include the kangaroo and koala, but Australia has other unusual animals too. Most of the animals live in the wilderness of Australia. The unusual animals of Australia include birds like the kookaburra and cassowary. They include other animals like the bilby, dingo, and echidna.
Kangaroos.
What do you want to be famous for? Why? A kookaburra makes a sound like it is laughing. A kookaburra is a small gray and brown bird with a long beak. Kookaburras live in trees in the forests of Australia. A kookaburra uses its strong eyesight and large, powerful beak to hunt for food. A kookaburra makes a sound like a person laughing. This sound scares other birds away.
A kookaburra.
What makes you laugh? Why? A cassowary is a large bird that cannot fly. A cassowary has black feathers on its body. The bird's neck and head are very colorful. The cassowary lives in the rainforests of Australia. Cassowaries have long legs and sharp claws. If a cassowary is scared, it kicks with its claws. They have coverings on their heads that look like helmets.
A cassowary.
Would you like to visit a rainforest? Why?
In the rainforests of Australia, the giant cassowary is in danger. The BBC's 7 Worlds, 1 Planet team arrive in northern Queensland. Their aim? To film one of the world's largest birds, the cassowary.
A bilby is a small animal that looks like a rabbit. A bilby has a long snout. It has blue, gray, and white fur and long ears. Bilbies live in deserts across Australia. They eat parts of plants such as grass and fruit. They eat small insects and worms too. Bilbies often dig holes and climb into them. This protects bilbies from heat and from other animals.
A bilby.
What do you like to eat? Why? A dingo is a wild dog that cannot bark. A dingo looks like a dog, but it howls like a wolf. It has a longer snout and bigger ears than a dog. Dingoes either live alone or in groups in the wilderness. They hunt for small animals such as rodents and lizards. They eat fruit and vegetables too. Dingoes can run very fast and can jump very high in the air.
A dingo.
Would you want a dingo for a pet? Why? An echidna has a spiky coat to protect itself. An echidna looks like a porcupine or a hedgehog. It has sharp spines all over its body. When they are scared, echidnas can roll into small balls to protect themselves. Echidnas use their long, sticky tongues to catch and eat insects. An echidna is one of the many unusual animals from Australia.
An echidna.
What do you do when you are scared? Why?
This walking, sniffing ball of spines is an echidna. It's a mother on a mission. She's hunting for ants and termites. To find them underground or under wood, she uses her strong sense of smell and another, weirder sense. Studies suggest that special cells in her beak are sensitive to the electromagnetic signals emitted by all living things. It's a sense usually found in sharks and rays, but the echidna may be the only land mammal that has the ability to search for food this way. She's uncovered a colony of ants and uses her long, sticky tongue to slurp them up.